Alright boys, this is a special day on the channel. Today, we're going to review my V6 04 Mustang. I'm just kidding. We got some new spinny boys in. New wheels and tires. I'm going to wait till unbox them until my friend gets here. Because then you also get to meet Ryan, who really got me into cars at a younger age. Well, at least high school. That's still young to some people.
Well, we were out of high school by then, bro. We were just
we
were 18.
That is true. We were fresh out of high school. We were definitely some babies.
We were some fresh meat.
Oh, dude, this is some fresh meat.
Ooh. You wanna open up the first one, boy? Here.
You know what?
I got this. You're
opening from the handle.
I got this in Mexico.
That's not how that joke works. Gloss black. I think I'm going to go with a nice little red and black kind of colorway for the Miata. What's up, boys? So we got the Miata in the garage. We're about to put on the wheels and tires, but first gotta introduce you to my boy Ryan.
Hey guys. First time in a while. I went and moved away for like a year, so I wasn't really around for all this stuff, but I'm back now, so hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah. He was one of the many people that told me that the BMW was a mistake.
Yeah, but he didn't really ask for my opinion.
I didn't.
First. You know, whatever.
Yeah.
But this is way better.
This was not a mistake.
We got a nice Miata now, and we about to throw some meat on it. So.
Well, yeah, but should we show him until it's done?
Yeah, we'll show him. We got a little surprise. We'll show him when it's done.
We'll show you guys when it's done.
All right.
We'll see you guys in a second.
What's up, guys? So Cleed's unwrapping the rest of the tires and wheels right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what we did to the first one that we unwrapped. And we just added a little white lettering with the little red because it's Falcon. So, you know, I think it looks good. What do you think, Ryan?
I think it looks awesome, and I can't wait to see it rolling. That's
oh yeah, we're gonna probably get some rolling shots later, but it looks pretty clean. What are you doing right now, though, Ryan?
Trying to jack it up and get all the wheels up so we can get them off and get the new ones on.
All right.
Yep.
So we're gonna be just doing a little bit of work right now, trying to get this jacked up, get the tires ready because we want to do the white paint on all of those. So we're gonna finish that, and we'll update you guys when we're done. What you doing, Ryan?
Oh, I'm just putting the real wheels on.
Oh, what? Oh, damn!
Don't judge it yet though, because it's not lowered.
No,
it's not at right height.
That
so.
6-inch wheel gap, not real.
Yeah,
we not rallying.
We put a lift on it too, so.
Yeah, it's a rally Miata now.
Yeah. But we're talking here.
But look at that. Ooh. But from some actual looking rally wheels.
I don't know about all that, but from that
to. Hey, bring it over and compare. Bring one over and compare, Ryan. Like just but real quick, just look at that. Well, and I think those lug nuts look really good. And we got the paint, but
yep, big difference.
Oh yeah, sexy. Okay, I'm done.
So we put some music over that.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, looks good, boys.
I'm ready to see the difference in thickness.
Oh, dude, do you have a good place to get royalty-free music?
I mean, it's got a good amount of decent amount of meat. It honestly looks better in person than on camera, but maybe once we lower it, it'll look better too. But all right, guys, update you here in a little bit.
So while Caleb's painting the wheels or the tires and whatnot, I figured it'd be probably a good idea to take the door cards off because it's getting like real hard to wrench the window up and down. So just doing a little bit of WD-40 and found out that his speakers aren't stock, but they're still.
I don't know yet.
So we're gonna replace those with Alpines later on, but it'll come. But yeah, just right now, just trying to get in here for future reference. If anybody's having this issue with Miatas and like it's getting real hard to go up and down, don't take the full door card off because that's just too much work for what we're trying to do. It was just this top trim piece right here. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, we just took that off and you can literally get right into there. Yeah, try to get the tracks and then this little wheel right here where the wire goes around. That's probably the best way to do it. But man, it's already so much easier. So, hell yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. All right. A little bit more.
Almost done with the wheels.
Almost done with the wheels. Last wheel. So a little bit more tips and stuff later. Chigors.
What you doing?
I don't know why I wanted to take the tint off so bad, but it was really bad. And now I'm regretting my life decisions because this shit sucks. And all we have for razors is a shaving razor. And like, look how bendy it is. Oh my god. It's all good, dude.
That sucks, dude.
Slowly but surely, I'm getting it. It is what
Hey,
it
we'll
is.
get it. Should we do the other side though?
I mean, we're just gonna have like one clear window. And
Or are we gonna keep this tent on?
I'm not taking it off.
All right. Wheels almost torqued down.
Yep. Last one. Yep.
Look at that, boys. That looks good.
Wait till it's on the ground, bro.
Hey, don't worry. You just gotta tease them a little bit. Woo! All this trash.
Yeah, clean it up. Yeah.
What'd you say to me?
What? I'm sorry.
Benjamin Button.
That's right. Yeah, you have fun with this though.
No, I'm
You're
not
almost
having
done.
I know,
It's just
but
this
dude,
little
it's the last
section.
little bit that's the hardest. let me
Yeah, I
tell you.
know, but you're almost done. Then we just gotta clean it, right?
Yeah, I just got some alcohol and a microfiber towel, and it's gonna come right off. All the residue.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back in a little bit. So, Khalid, what else are we doing? We're replacing the back window on.
Oh, yeah, Ryan, watch your head.
Are we doing that today?
Yeah, why not? Watch your head. You're gonna die. You're gonna
Right
die.
now, we got this boo-boo duct tape
Good.
nastiness.
Yeah. Hella water leaking inside of it. It's fucking bullshit.
And so we got it laid out over here.
Just let it heat up, get malleable.
And then, you got a hairdryer? Like a heater? Okay, never mind.
That's God gave us the sun for a reason.
All right, well, we'll be back in a little bit. Shelby. Hey, yeah. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. Still got a good fist of wheel gap, but you know, once we get some coilovers on there, it's gonna look good. Sorry I'm talking for you, Khalid, but you've just been kind of busy, so I figured I'd update the viewers. So, but yeah, that's looking, it looks so nice. But we'll give you guys some actual, like, shots later out in the sun, but it looks good. This is a good. Anyway. All right, boys. We'll show you guys and update you. We're gonna finish up a couple things, maintenance, and once we do that, we'll bring it out into the sun and get some actual nice shots. So.
All right, so it's been a minute. Probably not.
On and off, bro.
We got the window. I got the window tint off of both sides of the car. We got the windows looped up, so it's gonna be nice and.
As you break it.
No. So it's nice and quick when you roll it up and down.
Ooh,
We need to dry that off.
But now I'm replacing this old top. I'm sorry that.
Where's the garbage one?
Right there. With all the
Bro, I
duct
feel
tape.
like you need a retake on that one.
Probably.
Garbage. Not garbage. Show them a comparison of how, like, look at that.
The clarity?
Yeah,
Straight up the clarity of it, dude.
it's ridiculous.
What are you talking about? I can't see shit.
All right, but we're gonna install that, right?
Yep. I got it all sanded down. So you just cut out the old window, sand down this little black piece, this ledge right here. Shelby, get out of the car.
Fuck the guy that couldn't wait till April.
Hey, if you haven't met Shelby yet, this is Shelby.
No, they know who Shelby is. She's just
Yeah, they know. They know.
Shelby.
We're not close.
I'll just let her be.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to put glue on this
Being
bitch.
frustrated.
Yeah, so basically, if you've never done this before, we haven't. And yeah, as Khalid says, what'd you say?
Just buy a new top.
Just buy a new top. It ain't worth it. So we got his piece of plexiglass. We got it all cut out and everything. And we tried to glue it up. And I guess he didn't have enough hardener in the epoxy. And it didn't really work out that well. And it just kind of slid off. So we're going to go for round 2 with more hardener this time. And not only that, but we also, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can totally see it. We sanded up the edges a little bit. So it had something to grab onto a little bit more. So hopefully that works out for us. But you know, his last window, you guys already showed it to him, right?
Yeah.
It's bad. So this is going to be a big upgrade for him so that he can actually see out his back window when his top's up. And yeah, that's about it. You guys think of anything else?
Just buy a new top.
Just buy a new top.
Well, he needs to get a new top anyway.
Well, we need to get a hard top. That's what we need to do.
Yeah.
It needs to be a hard top. But for now, this is what we're working with. We got to make it work. That's what this is all about, right?
It's summertime.
Yeah? Summertime. So remember when we said buy a new top?
That's what we're gonna do. Just gonna buy a new top.
You got that alcohol rag?
Yeah, so we went ahead and got it all taped up and fitted it and everything, and then we put it in the sun to dry off a little bit, and yeah, that just didn't work out. So, you know, for future reference, we recommend magnets. Get some magnets, hold it on there to be good. But everybody else says
Just buy a top.
One more.
I feel like he came in a little too hot on that one. I'm not gonna lie, dude.
He was pushing it though. He takes after the bed.
I mean, hey, pushing the limits. I'm all for that until you rear end somebody. Then that's not cool.
Hey, Caleb. Yeah. All right, boys. So as you know, we got new wheels installed, new wheels and tires installed. We fixed the windows from sticking. We cut out the old window. Didn't reinstall a new one. So
Took the tent off, the crappy tent off.
took the crappy tent off. We're gonna have to buy a new soft top.
If you guys are trying to change the back windshield on the car, just buy a whole new top.
Just buy a top. Fucking make payments. Do whatever. Just buy a new.
Because you also get new seals too, so it'll help with leaking.
Yeah. Yeah, but on that
Nope.
up and down note,
I don't know.
I guess. I'll see you
On
boys.
that car note, that exhaust note.